Hey everybody, welcome back to Kristen's Decor. Let's get to it! Hey everybody, welcome back to Kristen's Decor. In today's segment, we're going to show you how to reuse your pumpkins from the fall. So I've been researching and I saw this cute idea to change your pumpkins into Christmas decorations. So we're going to do some painting and creations with our pumpkins today. Alexis is going to hold up things that you need. We have a couple pumpkins from our porch that are still good shape, so we're going to use those. You're going to need some paintbrushes.
This is $8.
You get that at Walmart. You're going to need your glue gun. Chris was so nice to buy me a new one because my other one's just terrible.
And this is $5.
You're going to need some little paints. These acrylic paints, the small ones are 50 cents.
This is the light green Grinch one. And then we had the apple red one. And we have this little silver one. And that was a bigger size in there. And then we have this big white that we found. It says art time, and there's a cap, so it's easier to open than when you have to twist those out. And then we have this dark gray green too.
Okay, we got the styrofoam pieces that we're going to kind of make a little Olaf. Those are going to be his feet at the bottom. And we got a base to put it on to kind of create a stand for it. So how we're going to do that one is, those are his little feet. We're going to put them down. We're going to take this bigger pumpkin. We're going to put that in the middle. We're going to cut off the stem. We're going to paint this all white. We're going to find some sticks outside, and we're going to have him hold his head up in the air and paint his face on. For this one, we're going to do Mr. Grinch. And we got a Christmas hat. It cost about $3, Walmart. And we're gonna put that on top because that's Mr. Grinch's signature. For these other two, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do another snowman and maybe a Christmas ornament. So we're gonna paint them first, let them dry, and then we'll decorate and put them together. So, ready, Lex? Let's get to it! So now we're gonna do the lime green for the Grinch. Alexis is gonna help me since this is a humongous pumpkin. And then we're gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna try to etch out his face, and then we're gonna attach the Santa hat. So we're gonna paint, we're gonna start with the little Olaf ones. Alexis is gonna paint the head and I'm gonna paint the body. And then we're gonna let it dry and we'll move on to the next one. So I just wanted to let you know, don't use this art time paint. It was terrible. It was not coming out thick, it was watery. So use regular acrylic paints for this. It's gonna show up, so we had to redo the pumpkins with the white acrylic paint. That way it would show up and stay. So that art time washable paint is no good for painting with pumpkins. So just wanted to let you know I did switch so that we can get that white color to stick to these pumpkins.
wasn't able to get Olaf to hold his head like I wanted to. I couldn't find the right sticks and have it positioned to hold the weight of the pumpkin. So I just decided to go with the traditional, putting the pumpkin on top of the other one and having his little arms stick out. So I hope you guys like it. I'm sorry I had to change up my idea. Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow and do what works. Thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support and love. Have a great day. See you soon.